Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going on a fascinating journey into the past to uncover the origins of one of the most ubiquitous tools in our toolbox, the flathead screwdriver. This tool, often overlooked in its simplicity, has a rich history intertwined with the evolution of technology, industry, and everyday life. So, grab your tool belt and let's dive into the story of the flathead screwdriver. The flathead screwdriver, characterized by its flat, wedge-shaped end, is a staple in the world of tools. To understand its origins, we need to step back in time to a period long before the invention of modern machinery, back to an era when craftsmanship was paramount, and the simplest of tools could make the difference between success and failure in construction and repair. Our story begins in ancient civilizations, where the basic concept of fastening objects together using a rotational force was already understood. The earliest evidence of tools resembling screwdrivers dates back to ancient Rome, around the 1st century AD. These rudimentary tools were used to turn screws made of wood, a material more readily available and easier to manipulate than metal. Roman craftsmen used these early screwdrivers to assemble and repair their wooden structures, demonstrating an advanced understanding of mechanical principles for their time. However, the screw and its corresponding driver remained relatively primitive until the Middle Ages. During this period, the technology of metalworking improved significantly, allowing for the production of more durable and precise screws and screwdrivers. Blacksmiths began to produce metal screws for armor and weapons, leading to the creation of more sophisticated tools to drive them. This period marked the first significant evolution of the screwdriver, moving from a simple tool to a more refined instrument of craftsmanship. The real breakthrough for the flathead screwdriver came during the Renaissance, a time of great technological and scientific advancement. Leonardo da Vinci, the quintessential Renaissance man, made detailed sketches of various machines and tools, including a screw-cutting machine. His designs contributed to the standardization and improved production of screws and screwdrivers. The Renaissance period laid the groundwork for the mass production techniques that would later revolutionize tool manufacturing. Fast forward to the 18th century, a time when the Industrial Revolution was beginning to take shape. This era saw significant advancements in machinery and manufacturing processes, driven by the need for efficiency and precision in the burgeoning factories. The screw, as a fastener, became increasingly important due to its reliability and ease of use. As the demand for screws grew, so did the need for a reliable tool to drive them, the flathead screwdriver. In 1744, English instrument maker and engineer Jessie Ramsden invented a screw-cutting lathe, which allowed for the mass production of screws with consistent threads. This invention was pivotal, as it enabled the widespread use of screws in various applications, from machinery to furniture. Consequently, the flathead screwdriver became an essential tool in both industrial and domestic settings. The precision and uniformity of Ramsden's screws necessitated a tool that could fit perfectly into the screw's slot, driving it with efficiency and minimal damage. Thus, the flathead screwdriver, as we know it, began to take shape. The 19th century brought further advancements with the rise of industrialization. Factories churned out vast quantities of goods, and the need for standardized tools became more apparent. During this period, the flathead screwdriver underwent refinements to improve its functionality and ease of use. Toolmakers experimented with different handle designs, materials, and manufacturing techniques to produce screwdrivers that were not only effective, but also comfortable to use. Wooden handles were common, but the introduction of metal handles and later plastic ones improved durability and user experience. One notable figure in the history of the flathead screwdriver is Henry F. Phillips. In the early 20th century, Phillips recognized the limitations of the flathead design. particularly in industrial applications where speed and efficiency were critical. He invented the Phillips head screw and driver, which allowed for more torque and reduced the risk of the driver slipping out of the screw head. Despite this innovation, the flathead screwdriver remained an important tool, especially in applications where the Phillips head's self-centering design was not necessary, or where flathead screws were already in use. The flathead screwdriver's simplicity and versatility ensured its continued use and adaptation even as other types of screwdrivers were developed. Throughout the 20th century, it remained a common household tool, essential for a wide range of tasks from assembling furniture to repairing appliances. Its straightforward design made it accessible to everyone, from professional craftsmen to DIY enthusiasts. The flathead screwdriver's story is one of adaptation and resilience. From its humble beginnings in ancient Rome to its essential role in modern electronics, this tool has evolved alongside human ingenuity and technological progress. Its design may be simple, but its impact on construction, manufacturing, and daily life is profound. To conclude, the origins of the flathead screwdriver are deeply rooted in human history, reflecting the evolution of craftsmanship and technology. This tool has adapted to meet the needs of each age, proving its enduring utility and importance. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the flathead screwdriver is a testament to the power of simplicity and the ingenuity of human invention. Thank you for joining us on this historical journey. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.